In a 2-page letter to the General Assembly, several law enforcement agencies are pleading with delegates and senators to say no to retail marijuana.
If you aren't ready to address the public safety and public health impact of that, which we don't think we are in Virginia, then we have problems that will go unresolved.
In the letter penned by Dana Schrod, a law enforcement agency advocate, and several others, they say cannabis is more addictive than alcohol. Schrod credits a study done by Substance Abuse and Mental Health Services that found 30% of cannabis users have a cannabis use disorder compared to 11% of alcohol users. Schrod says it's just one of the many concerns law enforcement has.
So we're not getting any help right now on finding ways to address highway safety issues that are impacted by marijuana impaired driving.
But others are pushing back.
These claims are really dubious at best.
J.M. Padini says another study by JAMA Psychiatry debunks this claim, with researchers determining the reports of cannabis-related problems actually went down. Padini says they have real concerns about this letter.
We have over 2 decades of real-world regulatory experience with cannabis in the United States, so we know what happens when states legalize and regulate the retail sale of cannabis to adults, and this is not it.
Virginia remains the only state to have legalized marijuana without legalizing the sale and purchase of it. For those who want to legally become a provider for such services, they want the General Assembly to come to some form of a decision.
We would love to be a legal recreational dispensary, and we are abiding by every thing possible that the legislation is giving us to go by, and now it's time.
Again, 2 bills could determine whether or not Virginia will ever create a retail market. However, there are going to be significant differences between the two when it comes to criminal penalties and licensing. Emily Harrison, 13 News Now.
Thanks so much, Emily. Even if the General Assembly votes in favor of these bills, anything that comes out of the General Assembly would still need the signature of Governor Youngkin.